Kate?
588.
588. Okay. Say we made it home.
We made it home.
Are we going on an adventure?
No.
How come?
Because we're gonna. Because.
Cash and Case.
Because Cash and Case are sick.
They aren't feeling very good, are they?
Yeah, they're not feeling good. Are they?
Nope. So let's go and show them
The new trailer.
the new trailer. Okay, well we made it back just fine. A lot of the white come off the truck, so now it's more of a gold dirt color instead of a white truck. And we made it with everything here. Grandpa Lee gave us the trailer, and we got the fenders, and Grandpa Lee gave us the posts and the posts on that side. Grandpa Rhodes gave us the tin, and he gave us some tires that are the same size as these tires, so then we can swap them out, huh? Then we can feel more comfortable driving it down the road. Yep. And these tires rode in the back of the truck. They did not ride in there or right there. So we have 3 that are exactly the same, so I think we'll try to get those mounted on there. But I don't think this moved a bit. There goes Tom Guyman's kit. So we got here with the trailer. Grandpa Rhodes put that there because there's some nails or screws in the bottom of them, so that's why it's not sitting with the rest of them, but it rode just fine. We didn't lose a single post. Those straps are as tight as can be, and nothing moved, so everything's good.
Do you think Grandpa knows that we're home?
I should tell him, shouldn't I? But you may not know it, but right up there, there's smoke coming out of the roof. Well, not the roof, but out of the chimney. You can sure see how much creosote's already collected on the spark arrestor.
And you can see that the clouds are moving.
Oh, are they moving? They sure are moving. Yeah. So Carolyn and Stan gave us a little stand for this, but we just got home and we haven't got it unpacked. So hopefully the next time that we video, we'll have a stand so it'll actually stand still.
What stand?
Did you see it yesterday at Grandma Lee's house? Oh, we'll show you when we get it going. All right, let's go show Grandma and Grandpa's and everybody what we're doing. Okay, come on, Kate.
This video is called Wooding.
Wooding.
Chop.
Wood chopping. Okay, come on. All right. Yep, sure enough. Later. Come on.
No?
All right. To keep the fire going, we got to keep the wood pile up. Now, Cade and I have already stacked up this much wood, and Cade's been chopping. You've been chopping pretty good with your boy axe, huh?
Boys axe.
Boy's axe, that's right. Yep. Okay. Will you take this? Or do you want to take the wheelbarrow? Okay. Just be calm with it so people don't. All right. Go out to the garden.
Let's go this way. There's Stacey. Stacey's right there.
Come on, Kate. Go, 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 go.
Basketball hoop. Cool. We had a pretty good garden this year. Geez. Dad, we had a pretty good garden this week, right?
Yep, that's right. Okay.
There's a tongue in the video.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
All right. Cade's going to show us how well he chops wood, though. Right?
Yep.
Okay. So I'll get a piece of wood. Watch out, you short dog. Okay, Cade. We're going to put this right here. And you're going to try to chop it. Well, don't chop my fingers off. Chop it right there, okay?
Okay.
Don't hit wood. Oh! Did you see that? I was going to say don't hit Woodrow, but you just hit that piece of wood. All right. Okay, bud. Should we see if we can chop this one?
Okay.
Okay. See if you can chop it. Don't chop my finger off. See if you can chop it right there. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Uh-oh. Okay. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Very good. That was a pretty good hit. Okay, do it again. Okay. No, just do it again. Take it out. Okay.
Do you
Very good.
think anybody's gonna think that I can't chop it?
Nope, they're gonna think you're doing a pretty good job. Oh. Okay, put it back up. Put it back up. No, you put it back up.
Did you see? Did anybody see that one?
Yeah, I saw it.
Did people on it see it?
They haven't seen this video yet.
What's this video gonna be called?
Wood chopping. Chopping wood. All right. Pick it up. There you go. Good. All right. Right there, buddy. Oh, Cade, that was awesome, buddy. That was cool, wasn't it?
Do you think anybody's gonna think that I'm not gonna chop it and then I chop it?
Probably so. There are some people who think, oh, he's never going to chop that, and guess what? You did. All right, you want to chop another one? Okay, we'll chop another one.
Could I chop 10 more?
10 more? Well, we got to clean them up sooner or later. All right,
chop
all right.
all day and all night.
You do? Okay, make sure you get right there, okay? That's amazing, Cade. Good job. 2 more? Let's see if I can find 2 more. Let's see. Well, we'll pick him up. Okay, Cade. Right there.
2 more after this one.
Okay.
Well,
No,
maybe-
1 more after this one.
3.
Okay, go. Oh. Pop it out of there. Can you get it? Are you pushing it down or pulling it up? Pull it up. There you go. Okay. Well, you gotta... Ouch. You gotta not break the axe. Make sure you hit the axe. Are you okay?
Yeah, I've done that 10 times.
You have. Okay. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hold this? Okay.
Use your axe if you want.
Hey, they don't want to see your finger if they can't even see if you have it that close. Okay, ready? Okay,
Ooh.
1 more.
Uh-huh. Whoa.
What do you think, Cade? Can I do that one?
How about you use the boy axe this time?
Use the boy axe. I don't think.
Yeah.
Hey, video this.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Look at that. That's some pretty good wood, huh?
Last one.
There we go. Okay, now we got to clean it up. So we'll see you when we get it cleaned up.
We see you when you get it cleaned up. When you get it cleaned
Say it again. Say it again. We'll see you when we get it cleaned
We'll
up.
see you when you get it cleaned up.
You get it cleaned up. Me?
Get it cleaned
Or you? Me?
You.
Me? You're a kid.
And me.
And you. Okay. Okay. All right, we got it cleaned up, didn't we? Okay, well, you take the boy's axe, and we'll take this axe and
Dad,
sink it into this post.
Dad, I have a joke for you.
Okay.
Their name.
Your name. Dad.
What's that?
Nose.
What am I holding?
Nothing.
Dad knows nothing.
You're silly. Okay, take that. Okay, we got it cleaned up. All that's gone. The majority of it around here is gone, and it's all in the wheelbarrow. So Cade is going to take this, and he's going to follow us to the stack. Here you go, Cade. All right.
We're going over there.
Okay, let's go. Come on, dogs. Come on, dog.
What is it? I don't know. Dad,
Yeah.
we only have 1 minute done.
Okay. Are you still filming?
Yeah? Now we have 2 done.
2 minutes? Okay. No, don't do that, please. Okay, someday you might have to go to video school so you can see how to video. How does that sound?
No. You look so small in the camera.
Yeah, it was kind of small, wasn't it?
I'm Cade. I'm just like, hi, I'm
see it.
Cade.
Okay, that is 3 wheelbarrows full. Plus we have some left over. We'll just take this right into there. We've got a little chop pile, starter pile. And as you can tell, it actually did rain around here. So there we go. Say, everybody have a good day.
I'm gonna chop this piece of wood.
You are. Okay.
I'm gonna show everyone.
Okay, you chop that piece of wood. Here you go. Are you gonna hit me in the face?
Nope.
Okay. I hope not. Ooh, very good. Can you put it back up there? Very good. Now you want to see if we can break it? Okay, let's see. All right. Just see if you can break it. Ow! Did it hurt? Sorry, buddy. Okay. Let me see if I can.
The gloves you can't feel.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. There we go. How's that? Are you okay? Come over here and let's see your hand. Let's see. Oh, guess what? You're okay. Okay. Tell everybody goodbye.
Everybody, goodbye.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Sorry if we didn't go on an adventure.
Sorry if we didn't go on.
We'll go on that.
We just did.
We did. Okay. Bye.